We drove around, we found all this. I hope that's our main picture. Look at that fire, huh? I mean, we drove around just now and got all that wood. The mushrooms are burning off of it. Huh? No Duralog needed.
Erin's over there roasting her weenie.
The wood won't catch.
This little, is it cooking at all? Hold it up, let me see. Yeah, it needs to cook a little more. Alright.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, don't try to use sticks because sticks will start on fire. You gotta use some fancy weenie pokers. What?
Use that weenie poker.
I'm gonna toast some marshmallows here for dessert.
We don't have a fire. We don't have a fire.
Yeah, we got a fire. Put your weenie in there.
Put your in the fire. Sorry guys, we don't even have a fire. You're put out the marshmallows.
Nice.
Flame it. Oops. Flame. Blow them.
Nice. Nice and warm, huh?
Fire is getting. Wait, my weenie's not done enough. Here we go. Oh yeah. Hey, thanks to Shelly. This is an awesome gift, Shelly. Wait. Uh-oh. Oops.
Hey, we gotta eat that.
Wait. Hold it. Ooh, it's sizzling. Yeah.
Alright, I think that's done. Nice. Alright, that's
Sorry.
I'm getting choked by smoke. Alright,
There you have it.
That's outdoor grilling with Erin and Troy and Weekend Camper Couple.
Hey, kid. Hey, don't try this out.